Hi, my name is Gurjeet Singh, and I run my own IT company with the name of A12 Info Solutions Private Limited and the websolutioncenter.com. Today, I'm going to teach you that how you can create a different hosting for a subdomain name. As I was doing the same thing earlier, and it becomes very difficult for me to create new hosting for subdomain name, as I was not able to find the right information over the internet and even from the YouTube as well. So I did it on my own. So I would like to share this information with you guys because it's not very difficult, but it just you need to follow these certain steps to connect your new hosting with the subdomain name. As now it's become very obvious because there are lots and lots of new websites coming in with a huge amount of data. So in order to maintain those data, sometimes we need to create the subdomain names with the different hostings so that we can arrange it and we can have more servers space, which is pretty much sometimes become difficult to get it from the same hosting. So it's not much difficult. So now just let's begin. So the first thing which you need to be sure of is with the IP address which you get from your hosting provider. And if you're not sure about the IP address, then you can ask him and they would easily provide you the same, because without the knowing the IP address, it's become very difficult to integrate the new hosting with the subdomain name. So first of all, once you sure about that what is the IP address of your subdomain name, just note it down somewhere. And then what you need to do is open your hosting control panel of your primary domain name. From there, we're going to create the subdomain name and connect with the new hosting. So it's very easy. First of all, you just need to open the control panel like I did. Like I have a Linux control panel and it is right there. So it's very easy to connect with it. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open the Advanced DNS Zone editor. Now, the IP address which I was earlier talking about that you must be sure of. Okay, just note it down somewhere. Okay, like for example, is 192.168.3.3. So I'm just giving an example. So basically, this is the IP address of your new hosting. Okay, and the subdomain name I'm interested in to create is maybe let's say domains.websolutioncenter.com. So now what you need to do is you need to open the Advanced DNS Zone editor, and over the name you need to put the subdomain name which you would like to create. So as I decided, domains.websolutioncenter.com. Now the TTL you need to leave it blank. Nothing you need to take care to do about it. Okay, and here the address you need to put the IP address of the subdomain name, and that's it. And then just add the record. I'm so sorry. Basically, you need to enter the default value TTL, which is like 14,400. So it's fine. We can create the TTL, put the TTL as 14,400. Now it's done. As you see that it's right there with the new IP address. Now it will take some time to connect with your IP address with the domain name, with the subdomain name you have just now created. So you need to wait for at least for a couple of days, and once you are done with it, just simply go ahead and create an account. Just typing your subdomain name as your primary domain name, the new account, and the username and password. Just a simple way we do for the primary domain name, and then you are done with it. But you need to make sure that the name servers like the NS1 and NS2, it should be the same which you have inserted for your primary domain name. So once you do these things, and you are done with it. Thank you.